Welcome to 1651 Oak Street. This is a garden, lower level, 7-bedroom, 3-bath with a huge private yard with a patio available for lease. And we're looking at the common area, and it includes a living space that goes from there back here and then opens up to the kitchen. The kitchen features a bottom drawer freezer, Samsung beverage service stainless refrigerator, gas range with hood, stainless dishwasher, double sinks with a retractable faucet, a nice amount of self-closing cabinets and drawers, and a quartz countertop. Throughout the place, there's beautiful hardwood floors. It's another look at the living space. One of the main selling points of this flat is the rear yard. So you go through the door, the glass door we just went through. This is all an exclusive area. And you have this giant patio and yard that is yours to do whatever you want with. A little more outdoor space here, and then your sliding door into the living space. This way, we have a bedroom here. Its window looks over this little light well area, and it has a full closet. The next bedroom across the hall, it has a double mirror door and a much bigger closet. And its window there. Across the hall is the first of 3 full baths, quartz countertop, natural stone tile used throughout. Great mirrors, nice vanity. Here's the laundry area, and it features a Samsung washer and dryer. The building has all its own systems, which are new. Tankless hot water, so you never run out of hot water, theoretically. The second full bath, they're all full baths. Next bedroom. A window there. This one has a huge closet. Another bedroom. It's a bigger window. And it looks out onto the Panhandle with the park right across the street there. This is the entry and the little entry hallway. So we covered 4 bedrooms and 2 baths. Back through the common space. Sorry about that chirping. It's the last bathroom. Super nice. The 5th bedroom. It's a big window. A nice closet. This way to the 6th bedroom. It looks out onto the yard. Slightly bigger closet. And the final bedroom, I think it's the biggest of the group. Sort of a bay window here. You have plenty of storage space for bikes, scooters, whatever you want in that yard. and it has a mirrored mirrored door to a full closet. If you're interested in leasing 1651 Oak, visit billharkins.com or call 415-305-5311. Thank you. Have a great day.